In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and save your Basecamp messages and project data. If you're using Basecamp to manage projects, it's a good idea to occasionally create a backup of your messages and files. This is especially important for owners or admins who need a record for compliance, handovers, or just peace of mind. Basecamp makes this possible through its export feature, which generates a downloadable zip file containing HTML versions of your messages, files, and other key project data. Let's walk through exactly how to do that, step by step. First, start from your Basecamp home screen. This is the main dashboard you see after logging in, where your projects and teams are listed. If you're not already there, you can usually get back to home by clicking the home link or icon at the top of the interface. From the home screen, look for the link or section called Admin Land. This area is only available to account owners and certain admins, so make sure you have the right permissions. Go ahead and click on Admin Land. Think of Admin Land as the control center for your Basecamp account, where you handle settings that affect the entire account rather than just a single project. Inside Admin Land, you'll see several options for managing your account. Here, you want to find and click on the option that says Export Data from this account. This is the feature that lets you create a full backup of your projects, messages, and files. After clicking that, you'll be taken to the Exports page. On this page, Basecamp may show you information such as when the export tool was last updated or when an export was last generated. You might see text indicating it was last updated a certain amount of time ago. Go ahead and click on that area to proceed to create a new export. Next, you'll see options or a highlighted button that allows you to start the export process. Click on the highlighted control to tell Basecamp to prepare your export. It may take some time, especially if your account has a lot of projects and files, so be patient while Basecamp compiles everything in the background. Once the export is ready, you'll see a link or button labeled Download My Export. Click on that to download the zip file to your computer. Inside that zip file, you'll find HTML versions of your messages and other content, which you can open in any web browser for long-term storage and reference.